Part 2, healing through inspiration. I guess the video cut off the storage, you guys know. But one of the things is too about when the frick you call it? These energy vampires is that they harness and they harvest on your energy, cuz. On your freaking energy. Like, so they have different identities. They may have different pieces of other people which they took over the years or the beginning. You know, either take and act as characters to them. Part of the reason at first, which can make them appealing. You know, as they begin to take places of you. Like with me, one of the things that narcissists always, you know, talking about my hair, talking about my, you know, how I do my hair and I do my hairstyles. You guys see the hair videos. We look at our playlist of hair. You know, we have our hairstyles and whatnot. And really, he's balding. He's dyed. That's why he dyes his hair. I know for a second, if he could have to change our hair in the drop of a dime, he would do it. Change his hair to have ours, he'd do it. It's crazy how I said that. I got like a lingering smell of like cigarettes, almost like in a thought. Wow, that's weird. Yikes. And it was like the imagery too. Hold on, that was weird. He doesn't even smoke. That was weird. I'm just accepting all the downloads and whatever. Like I told you, we get a lot of downloads. That's probably why we need to leave here. Just leave in general. I want to be where paradise is, where it is with my dog. You know what I'm saying? He's so quiet, you didn't even know he's in this room. But another thing about the narcissist is that, like, you know, we'll do our hair and whatnot. He'll want to do it, and then he'll be like, the narcissist will never give you credit. Never give you credit, even on all the hairstyles, hours he spent watching us, stalking us, I should say. And then, with that being said, you know, he goes and, what the frick does he do? And then he goes and copies our routine. We get out of the shower, we tries to attempt to put the oil on our hair and all of our body, and coconut oil. And I noticed he'll try to do it, and I do my beard and I do my facial hair after I get out the shower, whatnot. And I noticed that he was trying to do his like mine or whatever. And I noticed I put like hair products or something in the fridge, and he'll put it next in the fridge, like right next to it and stuff, like trying to do like me. And I'm like, yo, what the frick is this? I'm like, this nigga can't be that serious, is he? Like that close? Like, so he'll go shopping. He'll buy things that I got. Always watching me. Like, I remember at Target, this is too long ago, I used to eat saltine crackers. He'll start buying that. Like, another thing to buy to replace what I got. And then two, like when he went to Myers, he's trying to get the produce that I got, try to shop like me, you know? Like I told you guys before. Like he'll try to eat the food I eat, you know, like, you know, such being alkaline electric based. Things he'll eat is kale. Things like he'll be getting now like kale. Like this nigga's never got kale a day in his life until me. Never in his life has he tried to get that. So it's like, you know, and you know him getting the garden tomatoes and other tomatoes, and it's like he doesn't even know the difference between, you know, like what's alkaline and whatnot. And you got someone who's sitting there trying to fake as if they're healing. Oh, that's deep. That has multiple meanings. Like me, fake as they're healing themselves. Try it, but it's like they can't do it because, you know, I'm gonna say this thing, and I say this to every single one of our clients, you know, and I say this to everyone who comes to us, you know, who says they want help. This is a game of the mind. This is the game of the mind. This right here bothers a lot of people. It bothers a lot of people. Because I tell people this, because people, they say, oh, how do you do this and how do you do that? And I say, Really what they're looking for is like, and a lot of times too, say something like they're looking for a quick fix, like an easy quick fix. And it's like, basically, and I say the quick fix, things can be quick. I have been, because you guys seen our fasting. Go look at our fasting videos. Go, you know what I'm saying? But the thing is, they're looking for magic pill syndrome. Really, that's the way we're gonna call it. Oh, just take this pill, that'll be it. You're like, whatever. But it's kind of like, this right here is, I cannot know the best, the easiest way I can explain to somebody is this. If you do not remove the toxins and stop what you're doing, no type of healing whatsoever is going to help you. You hear me? No type of healing is going to help you or reverse it whatsoever if you don't stop what is being done. Like, and I gotta give an example. If you drink bleach, if you're drinking bleach, no amount of kale, Roma tomatoes, watermelon, romaine lettuce, like cinnamon, coconut, no amount of that. If you keep drinking that, it's not going to save you. It's not going to save you from being ill. You have to remove of the toxicity. You have to stop consuming that. You got to stop consuming that bleach in order to get healthy. And people say, and when I said this, people, they got angry and they was like, okay. I'm like, no, but it's the way I'm trying to get you to comprehend. How do you expect to heal? Because people want to talk about, there's other things, and other people think, like, this will be very real, and people get mad at you when you better yourself and they heal you, and you heal yourself and they see you do it, but they don't want to align it and apply the work in. You dig what I'm saying? So it's like this. Because, like, right here, putting yourself away, not drinking. Say you're a so-called Indian. Why are you drinking the fire water? Why are you drinking the fire water? Huh? Why? You know what I'm saying? And then the people they want to smoke something, they want to pop something, they want to inject something, they want to sip something. All this stuff to keep you sedated. And even stuff that's legalized too. Because I'm going to tell you, it's a lot of that stuff that you're smoking, it wasn't made to be smoked. This is why when you inhale it, your body rejects it. It's coughing. You're coughing. It's your body rejecting it. But people don't know you can get high on another set of a bliss. But all this thing takes right there, that takes is focus. Takes the ability to focus. Gotta be able to focus. And it takes discipline. Narcissists don't have discipline. Narcissists don't have boundaries. They don't. Anytime someone has boundaries, they try to violate somebody else's boundaries. Cross over somebody else's boundaries. I think this is kind of in correlation with borderline personality disorder. And for those who think, I may be talking about you or dissing you or something, because if you think you have it, actually I did see this one video on YouTube where there's this guy, he was a pale foreigner, and he's sitting there talking about, and I say that because there's some cultural differences as well. He was sitting there talking about how he was borderline personality disorder, how he has it and whatnot. He was just so sad and whatnot. And I was just looking at this guy, and the one thing is kind of like too, you don't have to necessarily read the words or read the words of someone saying. You have to read the energy. And the energy thing is, as far as what was felt was necessary to say, is that I think a lot of people think they have these diseases, or whatever diseases, or negative ways, or really they've been abused. Because they said they can't feel emotion, they can't feel feeling, and this and that. And it was just like, well, okay. But then you're sad, but yet you're sad. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like, how are you comprehending these feelings? What are you doing? Is it abuse that you suffer? Because the narcissist has been abused, yeah. But are you going to be accountable? Because it really sounds like You're being a sense of accountability. So this is why I tell people, like, you guys got to get the inner work and the in-depthness. And this kind of further correlates to, like, you don't have to get caught up in the words, get caught up in the phrases as far as, oh, is this person that? Is it that person that? And this goes back to the previous video before this, part 1, where I was talking about, hey, this person, like, is it, if you're getting attacked by a reptile, oh, is it an alligator? Is it a crocodile? If it's trying to attack you, get the heck away from it. Oh, what type of fire is this? Is this level 1 fire? Is this level 2? Is this level 3? You know, there's different types of, oh, is it a blue fire? You know, the blue fire is the hottest. Regardless, it's fire. Get the heck away from it. Don't let it burn you. You dig what I'm saying? But it's like, too, you know, most importantly, this is the thing of the mind. And, you know, don't get discouraged too. Try not to beat yourself up if you do, what do they call it? Crack or break. Have some fallback. Have some fallback of this thing. Because I did. I had some today. It was just like, dang. As soon as I did it, after I did, I was like, freaking hell. You know, distraction, of course. But don't be discouraged. Don't try to beat yourself up over it. Just got to get better. And we do that because of the stress. It's a stress reliever, you know. But, yeah. But if you guys want to relate to somebody who's actually going through this, actually been through it, hey, go ahead, book a consultation. Send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Hope you guys have a great one. Continue to grow. Grow. Shout out to the brother David Corey. Said that you guys want to get your apparel, get your one-of-a-kind apparel. We got our hats, t-shirts, jackets, hoodies, socks. This is all stuff I designed. Like, I'm very proud of it. Oh, we got polos too. Come on, like, we not playing, yo. And we got socks. Like, come on now. We got it, man. I'm so excited. I'm very happy about this stuff. It's very awesome stuff. Just go check it out, man. Go check it out. Link in the description, healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our American attire. American artwork. You dig what I'm saying? We got our artwork, our handcrafted art pieces. Go look at it. You guys seen us craft this stuff even on video. Go look at the plays, the art. It's really awesome, man. And we still got the course for you guys who want to start a business. Go ahead. Got that in the description box. And, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. If you guys are asking, like, oh, what's a juicer or whatever, we got juicer we use in some frying or whatever you want, some place you want to fry. We got those too because we're talking about health or whatever. We got those links in the description box too. Or just ones like that. If you don't want that one, you can use one that's like close by it or whatever. Because we use one that's close by it and not the exact ones in the description box. That's just for recommendations. But, yeah, this is cool. But anyways, like I said, let's continue to grow. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. Bliss.